When it comes to improving your home's resale value, few upgrades deliver as much impact for the investment as a new front door. In Worcester's competitive housing market, first impressions matter, and your entryway sets the tone for the entire property. Whether you're preparing to sell soon or simply want to elevate curb appeal, upgrading your front door can provide an excellent return on investment while enhancing your home's comfort, security, and style. Boosting curb appeal from the first glance. Buyers often form an opinion about a home within seconds of arriving. A worn, faded, or outdated front door can make the entire property feel neglected, even if the interior has been beautifully updated. A new door instantly refreshes your exterior and gives your home a polished, welcoming look. Worcester's neighborhoods, from Burncoat and Tatnock to Grafton Hill and Shrewsbury Street, feature a mix of traditional New England and modern architectural styles. A well-chosen door complements these designs effortlessly. For classic Worcester colonials, a solid wood or wood-look fiberglass door adds timeless appeal. For more contemporary homes, sleek steel or glass-paneled designs create an eye-catching focal point that stands out in listing photos and online real estate searches. Improved energy efficiency appeals to local buyers. Worcester winters can be harsh, and buyers place high value on homes that help keep heating bills under control. A front door upgrade is one of the easiest ways to improve energy efficiency. Modern doors feature insulated cores, tighter seals, and advanced weather stripping that minimize drafts and prevent heat loss. For potential buyers, knowing that the home offers better thermal performance and potentially lower utility costs can be a persuasive selling point. Energy-efficient improvements also resonate with eco-conscious purchasers and those looking for long-term savings. Enhanced security adds value, and peace of mind. Safety is always a priority for homeowners, especially in busy areas like Worcester. New front doors offer stronger materials, reinforced frames, and upgraded locking systems that improve home security. Steel and fiberglass doors, for example, provide better resistance against forced entry compared to older wooden doors. This added layer of protection is attractive to families, first-time homebuyers, and anyone who wants a move-in ready home without immediately investing in new hardware. A secure front door demonstrates that the property has been well maintained, adding to its perceived value. Customization creates a memorable impression. A front door upgrade also allows you to personalize your home in ways that resonate with buyers. Color, style, hardware, and decorative glass all contribute to a unique look that can set your property apart from others on the market. Bright and bold colors, like deep red, navy blue, or forest green, are popular in Worcester and help make a strong design statement. Meanwhile, custom features such as sidelights, transoms, or modern hardware can give your entryway a premium feel that signals quality throughout the home. Return on investment that works in your favor. According to nationwide real estate trends, front door replacements consistently rank among the highest value home improvements in terms of return on investment. In many cases, homeowners can recoup a significant portion of their spending when selling the property. Because the upgrade is relatively affordable compared to larger renovations, it's a smart option for sellers who want maximum value with minimal disruption. In a Worcester market where buyers are increasingly picky and inventory moves quickly, a refreshed entryway can help your home stand out, attract more showings, and potentially achieve a higher selling price. A simple upgrade with big results. If you're looking to enhance your home's value before listing it in Worcester, upgrading your front door is a practical and effective step. With benefits that span curb appeal, energy efficiency, security, and style, this small investment can make a big difference when it's time to sell. Whether you choose a classic wood look, a durable steel option, or an energy-efficient fiberglass model, your new front door can help your Worcester home make the best possible impression, one that translates into stronger buyer interest and increased resale value.